Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 alarm no sound issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open the clock app. Now in clock app click on this three dot more icon and then click on settings. Now in settings, here you will see a silence alarms when system sound is off button. So turn this button on and after that go back to your home screen and now open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on notifications. Now in notifications click on do not disturb. Now here if you have turned on do not disturb button, then turn this button off. If you have turned it on, then turn it back off. And after that go back to settings and here scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here open the clock app. Now go to the storage of clock app and after opening the storage clear the cache memory of clock app.